Hi.
How are you?
Good.
I'm the one doing the shoveling, and you're marvelous. I know.
Yeah,
I
I
know where
know.
I'm coming from.
Can you tell we're from Florida?
From where?
Florida?
No,
Fort
I
Lauderdale.
can't
Fort Lauderdale.
tell. You look like you have the right clothes.
I got 8 layers on.
Anywhere close to this normally, and I'd be inside on the couch.
You know, you'd probably be the best person to ask. The Miami game's on right now. First half just ended.
Yeah.
Any place along here you think might be playing on TV or something? What's our best shot?
Yeah, the Sultana down there. You need to go there anyways, because that's the oldest continuous bar in Arizona.
Okay, let's see. There's.
It's pretty cool looking inside.
Okay, let's do that.
And if not that, pretty far down there is Wild West Junction. They probably have it.
Yeah, I bet the sounds by the sound of it, they
The
would.
place down there is so pretty much local,
Yeah.
and this is a combination.
Of course, yeah.
Val?
But as soon as you
Val?
said pretty far, down there, I
I
figured
don't know
they
if you
probably
can-
won't play it.
I don't know if you can see the tile on top of the building down there. He's kind of full of snow now.
Oh
But
boy.
the,
Well, does the bar have TVs up over it?
what's that?
Does the bar here have the longest bar? And does it have
I would-
TVs up at all, or
They,
you
they
don't
got
know?
TV, so I assume they would have
Let's
it.
try it. Thank you.
Thank you very
It's a bar,
much.
man.
You
They
have a
should have
marvelous
it.
day.
Yeah. It's
And I hope
playoffs.
that this miraculously is the computer.
No, we like to forget the moisture. Oh, this? Yeah, yeah. I got
I love it. They got the game on. Yeah.